available in the US officially. It's been available for quite a while in other parts of the world, especially in Europe, other continents, but it's officially here finally in the US. I guess Nokia probably eventually got a licensing deal with whoever's in charge of that sort of stuff here. So this is the Nokia Music application. So I get it to load up. It is exclusive to Lumia phones. So here you see this is your recent activities on the application. Ideally, this should be your start screen when you launch the app. You present it with, there's a nice welcome screen here, gives you a short description of what the application actually does. You can listen to music locally stored on your phone, or you can listen to Mix Radio, which is online streaming, unlimited free music, pretty much like your Pandora, Last.fm, and so rest of it. I'm just going to close this. So that would be a message you would get to see the first time you do install the application. You can just close it up and it goes away. So here your options for the application, you have My Music, Mix Radio, Store, Gigs, Settings. We will be taking a look at each one of these one by one. My Music, I said before, this is your actual songs you have stored, you transferred from your PC to your phone. Just wait for this to focus for a bit. Or you can see albums, but there is none here really because I haven't transferred any music. I just recently installed this application. So going back, but yeah, if you did have music stored directly on your device, you get to manage that music from My Music. Next up is Mix Radio. Mix Radio here this is where the magic happens. You have different playlists you can choose from. These are featured songs to new listings to charts, bestsellers, and different genres are in here. A really neat playlist I found here is the global charts, where you get to choose what playlist you want to listen to from whatever country Nokia Music is currently available in. So as you can see, we have playlists from, you have the Italian singles chart here, German singles chart, you have French, Chinese, Finnish, Austrian, Australian, different countries. So it's a really nice playlist to listen to. For instance, in the US, there are people from all over the world here. So if you're Portuguese, for instance, you can always be up to date with what's the top 100 or 50 songs in your country by just tapping on that charts list. So going back here, so that is a list of all the different charts you can choose from. You have mood mixes, you have pop and urban, there is rap, hip hop, soul, reggae, classical. Offline is another neat feature. Just show you a little demonstration here of what the offline feature is. I haven't created any offline playlist on my phone, but if you want to do it, just click on a playlist. So for instance, I clicked on rap, hip hop. These are your different playlists. You have hip hop classics, favorites, grime, UK hip hop. So for instance, I can take this UK hip hop, you long press on it and you have make available offline. So what that does is it actually downloads the songs locally on your device, so even when there isn't an internet connection, you can get to listen to it. Let's do that real quick. But that's not where it ends. What happens is these charts change every week, every month, depending on whatever it is. You will be able to update your playlist. So the current playlist is downloaded on my phone. A week from now, number 5 probably will not be number 5. You can get to update your charts list. So if there's a new list out, you can just refresh and it quickly updates you on the latest songs and gives it to you offline. So that's a really nice feature of Nokia Music. Here, you're familiar with Pandora, you can get to create your own list. All you have to do is type in the name of an artist. I'm just going to type in a name here and search. So I have one artist there, I can search for another one. So you can have multiple artists and just create your own playlist, custom playlist. What it's called is custom radio. So I'm just going to look for another artist here. so then it auto completes it for you. Once you're done, just click on check there, and I have a second artist, a third one, and the name pops up there, and just click search. So I have 3 artists, and I can just customize my radio based on the genre, the kind of music they do sing, and just click on play mix here, and automatically it just runs up that list for you, and you have a nice mixed radio. So there. So, and you can share that playlist on your social network by via email, SMS, whatever way you want to share it. Just go to social network here, and you have Facebook, Twitter, or you can just use one of them. Check whatever way you want to share it. There's Windows Live also available, so whatever way you want to share it, just share it and send it over to who you want to share it with. So that's a nice feature of the Nokia Music application. Personalize, you can personalize your music profile by just going to see what it does in a minute. So how this works is it searches on from the songs you have on your PC or on your phone, and what it does is it creates your music profile for you. So right now I cannot create a music profile because I do not have any songs locally stored on my device, so it doesn't have an algorithm to check and see what my music profile would be like. But overall, this is where all the magic happens, the mixes. You want to enjoy live streaming music, you have to go straight into your mix radio, create your own customized list. You can also download it into your phone. As you can see, at 52% complete. It is advisable to use your Wi-Fi to do this download. You can have different customized radios here. You can choose whichever one depending on your mood. There's also a nice mood mixes here. Show you what this does. So these are different playlists too. It's all about the playlist. You can also take a playlist and pin that playlist to the start screen, like I just did. So there it is. So as you can see, that particular playlist is on my start screen. You can just click on it and it starts the radio automatically. So you do not need to go into the music application, browse through. You can just pin it to your start screen. So that's another nice feature of the Windows Phone. So let's go back to the music application here. So what else? You have your store. So something really interesting to notice about the store is you have to have a Nokia account to use this store, because this is your store where you can buy whatever music, DRM onto your phone. You have top albums here, so you see an album you like, you can just click on it. Then it gives you a price. You can buy an actual album, or you can actually get individual songs. So here, as you can see, so you can listen to a preview, pretty much like your marketplace via the native music app for Windows Phone. So you can do a preview, or you can click on the song to buy it, or you can get the album for $7.99. Rest assured that is in pounds, not in dollars, so that's something Nokia will have to change. So as you can see, I'm signed in as my OV account. That's what I'm signed in on. You can add a new payment card here. So in the future, if you're used to buying songs off of music stores, you can just add a card and get whatever song you want automatically. Just click on it and buy it, and you don't need to put this once or twice. So that's a nice. So it has an inbuilt store in it. There is customized radio. It's an all-in-one music application. It will rival to Pandora, Last.fm, and the rest of it. So gigs, this is a really nifty feature for the Nokia Music. Gigs, it shows you different gigs around you based on your location. You do have to enable your location. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. You have different gigs around you. So these are music concerts, jazz events around you, whichever one. And by the side here, you have the dates when will actually go live when it starts. So see, these are the 17s, you can see the 18, so whichever one you're looking for. If, however, what you're looking for isn't here, you can always search for it and type in what event you're looking for, and it will just search for it in and around near you. So say you saw what you were looking for, you can just click on it. Then what it does, it gives you the address, the date, and who's organizing this event. Another nice feature is the tickets. You can actually buy your tickets from within the Nokia Music application. That is really makes it all too easy, and makes Nokia Music one music application that will really rival what else is out there. Also, that same event you can actually get directions to, but from wherever you are, you can get actual directions to that event, and it's simply amazing. So that is the powerful gigs feature on Nokia Music. So settings here, there's really not much you can set here, but you have your logged in account here, you have users data, you have your location is on, feedback, help, support, and this is where you actually sign out. So you can use multiple accounts with Nokia Music, whichever one you're looking for. You can just sign in, sign out of it from here, from the settings tab. So that is a nice look at Nokia Music. As you can see, it's a wonderful application. It has replaced my I had that alternative Pandora app on my phone. I took that off and got Nokia Music because this is a more official app. It works, it's fully integrated with your Windows phone. I have it on my Lumia 900. There are different playlists, listen to the functionality of it. It's really smooth, everything works. So if you're a music buff, you love to listen to music on the go, Nokia Music is one app you would want to use. I'm really loving it. So it did get launched a week ago, and it did have, Nokia did celebrate it by having a concert in New York, where we had performances by Green Day, the popular hit band in the US. So yeah, that is a nice look at Nokia Music.